Hi, welcome to Gooey.AI. We'll do a short video today on how to use your voice notes or your audio inputs that you have for Copilot within the evaluation and bulk runs. Now, here I've got about 8 audios that I've recorded and saved here in my drive. Each of them, of course, has its own link. And you, of course, know already about how to set up your golden question and answer sheet. All we've done is taken each of those links and added it into each row for every specific question. So if I were to open this, you'd hear a recording. What is the lip sync tools API? Right? And that is also what the transcription is. What is the lip sync tools API? So for all the audio that you add here, you should have the relevant question in a written transcript form. If you are using a language which is not English, please also add the transcription in the source language and then add the translation in English as well. Now we'll just add this sheet to the bulk run. So what I've done here, I've already added it, but I can just show it to you again. Here I just add a link and I import, and you'll see that it loads my sheet as I've seen it here in Google Sheet. Right, so I've got the files ready. Now the key part of using audio in bulk evaluation is that the speech recognition on your Copilot should be activated in capabilities. Now we've already done this in the speech recognition module that we did. So all it requires is that you have to toggle this on here in the capabilities section. So for those of you who are doing voice bots or WhatsApp bots with voice notes, this is probably already switched on, but I'm just giving this to you as a extra tip because you don't want to start your bulk run and realize that speech recognition was not on and the audio just went to waste. Now, we know that in a Copilot, we can add audio here in the Copilot builder by clicking this and opening the mic, right? So we are trying to simulate that same thing here in the bulk runner as well. In the past video, we've selected input prompt as question, but here we won't do that. We'll leave that blank and we'll use input audio as audio. And then this is the same evaluator that we're using, and then we'll hit run. So the task now for it to do is to accept that audio, which is a drive link here, and then answer the question. And then that answer that it gives should be close to our golden answer or exactly the same to get that evaluation correct, right? So this is going to take a little while to run because audio will take a little bit longer than just plain text. So I'll just show you how it looks once it's done. So if you notice here, you'll of course have the run link and the run time, and then you have a separate section for the raw input audio. You have a section for the raw output text, and then you have the run link, and then the final output will be compared. I think this is better to do this way. It will be given a number, and then you will be given an analysis that Gemini was 85% good, whereas GPT-4o was only 4.7. I still feel like there might be a doubt to why this is working like this, but I guess we'll have to look at that in the iteration section when we get there. So after this, we'll look at iteration in the next video. Thank you.